Stuck with the ActiveX Installer Service DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To kick off the manual repair for ActiveX Installer Service, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the ActiveX Installer Service. It manages the installation of ActiveX controls from the web for standard users. It handles the policy-based elevation for security checks. If corrupted, users will find themselves unable to install legacy web plugins in corporate environments, often resulting in a 0x807005 access denied error during a browser-based setup. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore ActiveX Installer Service DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with ActiveX Installer Service. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Remember that ActiveX Installer Service DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to ActiveX Installer Service. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve ActiveX Installer Service dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.